Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about different means of transportation. Alright. So let's start with the simplest. We'll split it into three sections. Manual, manual transportation, labor transportation, and automated transportation. So for manual, there is two areas of transportation. Number one, there is walking, the simple classic walk, alright? It was mostly used by, this is like one of the most famous types because it's just simple, classic, and they basically like a notorious thing in old history, alright? And there's swimming, which is the way to traverse through water. So it's one of the more simpler things to do. So now we're gonna move on to labor. All right. So the difference between manual and labor transportation is that manual is you're doing it all yourself, but labor is that you're putting your effort into something that helps you move faster. So for example, let's say a bike. Alright, so a bike. You sit on it and then you pedal, and also you have to balance it. So that means that if you can balance something and pedal at the same time, it will help you move faster. And there's also scuba diving gear and etc. etc. And there's like paddle boats and canoes. Like you have to use your strength into it, but it will be faster than most manual laborers. Manual transportation types. So labor is like one of the more fun areas because there's different ways you can do it. And manual, not that much. And now we're gonna move on to automated. So automated is basically, as the name suggests, it's automated transportation. So using labor is very simple, all right? Because let's compare this. You're walking. It takes a long time, and your feet might hurt when you're walking. Someone's pedaling, all right? So they go faster, but eventually their legs are also gonna get tired, and they're gonna have to stop. But then there's a car, all right? The car just needs the person to know how to drive, have a steering wheel, and they just need to click on pedals like buttons and stuff. So basically, automated transportation means that it was simpler and also needs less effort. Like motorcycle, it's just a bike, but instead of having to pedal, you just need to vroom. All right. So walking, there's also flying. All right. So flying is one of the more slightly controversial types of transportation because of larger risks, and plus because of their usually very low service. But it is the fastest way after all. So yeah, those were the three types of transportation. I hope this video was actually helpful to you. I need freaking mental health.